Welcome back again, students. Welcome back to my channel Art of Mathematica. Students, this is the second part of worksheet 6. Those who have not seen the first part, in the below description you can check over there, you will get the link. So let's start the worksheet 6 second part. So in this part we'll do find a rational number between two rational numbers given. उसके बीच का एक रैशनल नंबर मुझे फाइंड आउट करना है. सो वी डेफिनेटली यूज नंबर लाइन. आई विल शो यू इफ यू whenever you are going to find a rational numbers between two rational numbers or two integers, always draw the number line. It will helps you. I'll show you how to do that. First question given, so let us draw first number line. There 0 1 and that is 2 and that is there should be a 4 in between, anywhere the 3 is there. So we have to find a rational number between these two rational numbers. Now the formula is half into x plus y, so equals to half. Now what is the value? Value means that one we can assume this is x and that one is y. So simply put the value of x is 2 and y is 4. If you add them, you will get half into 6 bracket, there is no sign, means into, so that is 3. So in between, you all know 3 is another number, integer number in between 2 and 4, it is present, but 3 is also a rational number because 3 can be written as 3 by 1. So 3 is the answer. Next question is 1 by 4 and minus 3 by 4. So for same process, there you have to draw a number line. So this is a positive number, means there should be a 1 by 4 and there is minus 3 by 4 because it is a negative number. Okay. So what is the process? Half into, now bracket में लिखना है x plus y, that means we can assume that is x and that is y. So we can write 1 by 4 plus bracket 3 by 4. Why I have taken the first bracket? Because minus and plus sign are there, so that's why. Half into, now 1 by 4. अच्छा चलो, 4 is the LCM because you know both denominator is 4, so 4 we will write first. Then 1 plus of minus 3 bracket close, half into 4 over there. Now 1 minus plus minus 3 half into, that is minus 2 by 4. Now you can see 2 and 2 is cancelled. Now minus plus minus झमेला हटाओ, then that is 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. You write over there in between minus 1 by 4 the number, rational number which is present in between two rational numbers. Okay, so this can be solved by another method. I'll show you. First what to do? Make the denominator equal. Now here it is already equal, you can see. Actually what I am doing, another method I'll show you that it is very easy. This method is very easy. If you understood, I can tell you that you are going to follow this method only, you are not going to follow this. So please listen it carefully. What to do? First make the denominator equal. So it is already equal, so just write their numerators, minus 3 and that is 1. So now tell me, in between minus 3 and 1, how many integer number you will get? That is, I can write, so minus 2, chalo draw it, no? Minus 3, that is minus 2, minus 1, 0 and that one 1. You can know 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and right side 1. So in between how many numbers you will get? Minus 1, 0, these numbers you will get, no? Now what to write? Simply 3 by 4 write down here, 3 by 4, no? Or divide 4 I have done. So here also same thing, 2 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 1 by 4, minus 0 by 4, sorry, minus 0 by 4. So you can see in between minus 3 by 4 and 1 by 4, how many rational numbers you will get? 3 rational numbers. And you can see that our answer is coming minus 1 by 4 and it is already present. So simply what to write? The next sum again I will show you how to do that. So you can write any of them. And one more thing, minus 2 by 4 is there, no? You can simplify it, that is minus 1, that is 2. So minus half is the answer. So this is also a rational number which is lying between these two rational numbers. Okay, students, again you can see there are two rational numbers given. You have to find one rational number. So what to do? Simple, that method you can do it. No, that half into x plus y, that method you can do it. Please pause the video and do it in your own. I'll show you another method. There, see, now I have done this. The value of x and y I have put here. Now next, half into this. Now minus plus minus. Now this is minus 9 by 3. If you cancel them, you will get 1, and this is minus 3. So minus 3 into 1, minus 3. 2 into 1, 2. So this is the rational number which is lying between these two rational numbers. Now I will show you by number line. How to do that? Simply, you have to first check that are their denominators same? Yes, their denominators are same. So what to write? Simply you have to write that minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. So minus 2 and minus 7, I have written these are the integer numbers. So just minus 7 and there minus 2. In between these integers numbers you have to write minus 6, minus 5, minus 4. Now what to do? Simply, what is the denominator? There 3 and there is also 3. So by 3 by 3. Here also you have to do the same. So you can get it. These are the rational numbers which is lies between two rational numbers. So they have told you have to find only one rational number. How many rational numbers you will get? Many rational numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That way you can do it. Any one number you can write over there. That is and please student, this is the number can be simplified. That is minus 2. You can see, and that one minus 1. These also you can write by simplifying, or these two also you can write any rational numbers, and by doing this you can get many rational numbers. So either you can follow this method or that method, whatever is easier for you, follow this one. Question number 3 is told that in between two rational numbers you have to find three rational numbers. So let us find first method. That what to do? Simply that number line you have to draw, and that one is definitely 1 by 13, and this one is 4 by 13. Bigger number should be at the right of that number. So what to do? I am assuming this is x and that is y. So if we add them and divide by 2, you will get the number here. So do that process. Half into 4, that x I have to write first. So 1 by 13. Half into 13 is the LCM. So 1 plus 4. That is half into 5 by 13. You can see that 2 and nothing can be cancelled. So what to do? Just multiply this same. So 5 by 26 is the number which is lies between two rational numbers. Okay. Now they have asked three rational numbers. So that one you have got. Now next what to do? In between two, if you find that again the same process, that half into x plus y, this formula again you will apply in between these two rational numbers. You will get another rational number which is there. Okay, so let's find this rational number. What to do? This and this we have to find. This is step 1. Now step 2. What to do? Again that half into, now bracket, 1 by 13 plus 5 by 26. These two numbers between I have to find. So again same method I have to repeat over there. Equals to half into 26 is the LCM. 13 2s are 26. So 1 into 2 2 plus 5. Half into now 7 by 26. Now you can see nothing can be cancelled. So if you multiply this way, numerator, denominator, you will get 7 by 52. So that should be 7 by 52. Now Again, if we apply these two rational number, then divide by 2, you will get another rational number here. Okay, so step 3, what to do? Just take half into 5 by 26 plus 4 by 13. Okay, now half into 26 is the LCM. So 5 plus 13 2s are, so 4 2s are 8. Half into 13 by 26. So you can see this can be cancelled. 13 1s are, 13 2s are. So 1 by 4. So we'll write over there 1 by 4. Now you can see in between 1 by 13 and 4 by 13, how many rational numbers you have got? 1, 2, 3. So our answer is this. So after that you will write the answer, this one and this one. These are the rational numbers which is lying between these two rational numbers. That's it for today. In my next video I will do the rest part of the worksheet 6. जो लोग अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.